Today, we're making these cheesy twists made with puff pastry and your favorite cheese. Check them out. They're baked, they're cheesy, they're delicious, they pull apart. Let's get started. So here I have some puff pastry that I normally keep in my freezer. To make this recipe, you're gonna want to thaw it out. It takes about just 10 minutes or so, and it comes with these paper sheets so it doesn't stick to itself. If your puff pastry is getting a little sticky, you want to use a little bit of extra flour to flour your surface. Now, if you've had your puff pastry in the freezer for a long time and it kind of gets a little freezer frosty, you're gonna find that it's gonna be cracked when it thaws out. So all you have to do is get some water, dip your fingers in it, and press it against the pastry dough so that it kind of reconstitutes itself and it's no longer dried out. But our puff pastry is pretty fresh, so let's get started. I'm just gonna make this rectangle right here. I also have an egg right here that I've lightly whisked. I also have two cheeses here. I have mozzarella and Monterey Jack. That's what I had in my fridge this week, but sometimes I use cheddar and mozzarella, or only cheddar, or Parmesan and mozzarella, whatever cheese you have around. The first thing we're going to do is take a pastry brush and spread our egg wash over the top of our pastry dough. Now, you're gonna wanna spread half of the cheese on half of the puff pastry. Here's our first cheese, and our other cheese on the other half. And then we're gonna take this back part and fold it over and press it down. Next up, we take the egg wash again and we brush it over the top. All right, so on one side, I'm going to spread this cheese right over the top. One of the cheeses on one side, press it down, flip it over, and then we take the rest of our egg wash right over the top. Plus the egg wash is gonna make this puff pastry really shiny and pretty. And now our other cheese. All right, so my oven is already preheated, and all I have to do is cut these into cheese twists. I have a baking sheet right here that I've lined with parchment paper so they come out really easily. You can cut this into shorter cheese twists or long twists. And then you're gonna grab your dough, stretch it, and twist it. Just like that. Then you're just gonna repeat the process with all of your cheesy dough. They're gonna be a little tight on the baking sheet, but not a problem. All we have to do is bake it for about 10 minutes in our preheated oven. You guys, these baked cheese twists are, check them out. Cheesy, flaky, oh yeah. Let's check it out. So good. The recipe details are right below this video, and while you're down there, click that red subscribe button. There are other videos coming out to you every single week. See you next time.